Hey you guys, welcome back to Black Nomad Diaries. So, it's time for an update. So I got the quote from the shop here in Georgia. That quote is definitely a little more expensive than the quote from South Carolina. But I'm okay with that. And I've decided to go with the shop here in Georgia, and I've already scheduled the appointment for the repairs and everything. It should take about a week for them to finish. So the next video you guys see, I'll be heading out for that appointment. But yeah, why am I going with the more expensive quote? Number one, this shop here in Georgia, when I brought the vehicle in, they actually took me and the vehicle into the bay, jacked it up, took tires off, and inspected the actual damage. So that's one big reason. Whereas the shop in South Carolina, they didn't do that at all. They just had an adjuster come out and take pictures and eyeball the entire thing, which I thought was really weird and wrong. Number two, a few years back, Mercedes had a Freightliner model Sprinter van that they discontinued in 2021. This shop here in Georgia, they mainly did all the maintenance to those Freightliner models, and they still do. So all the guys that are in this shop, they've got the knowledge and experience and certifications and everything. So that's second reason. And then number three, this shop is like an hour away from family. So if the repair takes longer than originally estimated, I can always go crash with family for a little while. So those are my top three reasons why I'm going with the more expensive quote. But hopefully they can knock everything out in a week like they said. I combed over the quote for that they gave me, and the labor hours match up with what they told me. Basically what they told me when I went into the shop, they walked me through the repair. It's going to be about 12 hours for each side of the van, or each side of the frame. They're gonna have to do the same thing to driver side and passenger side. They're gonna have to cut out a chunk, fabricate the repair, and then weld everything back up. Now, any welding that they do is gonna have to essentially sit overnight, and then they'll come in and stress test it in the morning, and if it's good, they'll be like, all right, cool, you're good. And they'll weld everything back together. So yeah, the welding is the thing that's gonna take the longest amount of time, because stuff has to sit overnight. And then they have to actually come in and test everything. But right now, I am just heading to get groceries and supplies for the week. Oh, and another fun fact. As of today, right now, when I'm recording this, it is your boy's birthday. What? Yeah. I know, I'm super excited. Yay. Another year, another year. This was supposed to be my first birthday in the van, and it being busted is not what I really wanted, but hey, stuff happens, you know. You live and you learn. I'm in good health. The cats are in good health. The van is scheduled to get repaired. So, you know, all things considered, it's fine. It's okay. It'll be all right. I'll be all right. But yeah, that's the quick update. Now, as for the rest of the day, I don't really know what I'm gonna do other than getting groceries. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys a quick update, so that way I'm not ghosting you guys like I did last time. Because last time I spiraled and I was like, oh my God, and I was freaking out. But here this time, no spiraling, no losing it. I accepted it. I have money saved up. And if you're wondering how the hell can I afford all these damn repairs, I do have a day job, you guys. I do. I have a day job. It doesn't pay me much, but it does pay me. But yeah, that is the quick update. And I'm stuck in front of a train, and I think I'm going to leave and turn around. But yeah, I will see you guys next week. The week after I drop this video. That week I should be heading to get the van fixed. They should be doing the repairs. What the fuck is going on with this train? But yeah, I'm stuck in front of a train right now. It's just parked here. And there are people just walking around. I don't know. If I go around, I'm gonna be driving for quite a while. But yeah, that's the quick update. It's my birthday. I got the second quote. I've scheduled the repairs. And the next video you guys see, I will be heading to get those repairs done. So that's all I got for now. I'm not happy that I'm stuck staring at this train right now. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And hopefully after that video, the van is fixed. And I can go somewhere awesome to make up for this birthday. I wanted to be doing something awesome for my birthday in the van, but I don't know, man. Van's down. Money's tight because I gotta spend it all on repairs. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, y'all.